Hello friends, my dear teachers and children. Today I am taking up the topic on simple past tense. What is simple past tense? What is its structure, positive, negative, interrogative, and where it should be used, where it should not be used, why? So simple past tense means its structure is V2. Suppose give, gave, given, giving, in that gave. Take, took, taken, in that took. Bring, brought, brought. Second one, brought. So that is V2 or gave, took. These are actually used in simple past tense. If it is negative, we use the helping verb did and plus V1. So this is did plus V1. We should not use did not give. We should not use did not wrote. We should not say did not took. We should not say did not went. After did only we must use only V1 form only. That is give, take, come, go. In that way we have to use. So did plus V1, this is actually called simple past tense. Now this is the structure of simple past tense, where it has to be used, where it should not be used, why. Now let us see various occasions where it will be used. First one is as a past equivalent of simple present tense in indirect speech. Suppose in direct speech he said I go to market now. Suppose here go is given. Now reporting verb is past tense, then it should be changed to go is changed to went, come is changed to came, and take is changed to took. Okay, give is changed to gave, write is changed to wrote. In that way, the simple present tense in direct speech is changed to simple past tense, that is went, go is changed to went when the reporting verb is in past tense. So simple past tense is used as a past equivalent of simple present tense in indirect speech. And the second thing, with a specific past time. Okay, specific past time must be given. The past time, yesterday past, today present. Last week past, this week present. Last year past, this year present. In that way, the specific past time must be given. Then for an action completed in the past, action completed in the past, and with that specific past time must be given. What is that past time? Yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 2005, last summer, last Sankranti, last Diwali, last Christmas. In that way, that past time must be given specifically. Then we must use simple past tense, not present perfect tense, not past perfect tense, because this action is completed here. For a completed action we use present perfect, past perfect, and simple past tense also. But when specific past time is given, like yesterday, okay, then I have seen the movie yesterday, we should not say. I had seen the movie yesterday, we should not say. What we say? We must use only simple past, that is V2 only. Why? Here specific past time is given, and before this past time there is no preposition like since or for. Then we must use V2 only, that is saw. He has not paid the bill last month. Last month is a specific past time. Before this last month there is no preposition like since. Then we cannot use has paid or had paid or have paid. We must use only simple past tense, that is did not pay. We must use did not pay. Okay, not did not paid, is only did not pay, only did plus V1 only. Why? Did is helping verb in past tense, it is specific past time. And the third one, specific past time is not given, but it is known to us. When that action happened in the past, it is known to us, but time is not given, time of the action is not given, but the time is known to us, then also simple past tense must be used. I have learned Urdu at school. Now you are not in school. Now you are actually doing a job or you came to college. So at school means it is a past time. It is known to us, even though specifically not given. Then also we must use simple past tense only, learned. We must use learned but not have learned or had learned. Why are you inactive? I have not slept well. When? We don't talk about sleeping of many days ago. Okay, when I have not slept well, only yesterday. Even though yesterday is not given here, it is known to us. That's why here I did not sleep well. So this we must use simple past tense. So what is the next occasion where we can use simple past tense? That is for past habits. That habits not existent now, it was in earlier. So it is a discontinued habit. That habit was earlier, it is not now. Then we have to use simple past tense, that is V2 or did plus not plus V1. Okay, my sister has gone to temple every day in school days. She is not in school now. Now she is in college or she is doing job. So in school days means it is past time. So during this time one habit was there with her. What is that habit? Okay, going to temple every day at that time. So it was a past, that's why we cannot use here has gone or had gone, but we must use went. So my sister went to temple every day, because every day is there, it is a repeated action. That action was repeated then. So for repeated action are called habitual actions. That habit is not there now, it was a past habit. That indication is in school days. It indicates that a habit is not there now, it was earlier. Okay, that's why it is a discontinued habit. We must use went, that is V2 simple past tense. This is equivalent to my sister used to go. It is equivalent to used to go. My sister used to go to temple every day in school days. So in this way, for past habit or discontinued habits, we can use, instead of used to, we can use V2. She has always carried the Gita to temple. So temple at that time she used to carry. So here we say she has carried, she always carried the Gita to temple. And we cannot say has carried or had carried. And what is the third one? With it is time, it is high time, it is rather high time, it is quite high time, this kind of phrases when we get, we must use simple past tense after them. So it is high time. So when it is high time or it is rather high time, it is quite high time, then this kind of phrases are there. Here subject will come. Here we cannot use start, we must use started V2. Okay, even though here is there, is present is there, here with it is time, we must use V2 simple past tense only. So it is rather high time, she tried, not try, tried. We must use tried, not try, because it is rather high time, it is quite high time, it means it is already late. At least we must start now. Okay, we must try now, it is already late. Okay, we should not waste our time. So we must try now at least. Okay, it is already late. So at least we must start business now. So this is the meaning it gives, but we must use simple past tense here. With it is time, it is high time, it is rather high time, it is quite high time. With that, subject will come after this, and here we must use simple past tense only.